Alright, so now I'm gonna be reacting to the Conroy Cat Show Halloween special.
And then Abby hypnotized Conroy.
Oh, and then Abby hypnotized Conroy. Okay, now let's start the video.
Essentially,
Thank you for that. Always wanted a nice draft here.
Where is he? I saw him come to What's with the wonton soup?
Oh, this? Well, I ordered... That giant booger just ate my bad joke! In my hand!
Yep, that's a Class 5 full roaming vapor.
What? Hey!
Sit tight, I've got this.
A gorilla in a fedora wouldn't do as much damage as you!
Relax, doggy. I'm a professional. Oh, yeah?
The ghost that quick.
What did I tell you? I had it covered.
That's swell, Conroy. Now who's gonna cover all this?
I know a great insurance company.
Hope they cover health too.
Oh, a day? Well, I'm going on my break from work. I love going on my break at work. Oh, what a day. Well, I'm going on my break from work. What is going on? It must be another nightmare. Bro. My foot!
Series?
It's just only a night. It's just only a nightmare.
Tori, go back.
Alright. You're welcome. The THX logo? Okay. Wait, Conroy's scared of it? Halloween horror character. Okay, now Abby hypnotized Conroy. Okay, now let's start.
Well, Abby, where did you get that watch? When I snap my fingers, you will be hypnotized.
Wait,
is it just me, or am I gonna diss you or something?
Abby, not Maurice. Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, so that's how she hypnotized Conroy.
Yes.
Your Honor, our family has always practiced natural child touch. The risks of having a scrambled infant are too great. There was going to be music. The nest was going to be full of beautiful, fresh-cut flowers. And the first two faces he was going to see were the loving faces of his mother and his father. We can never get that moment back.
Ma'am, I never wanted my
Conroy
face to be the first face your baby saw. I mean, what are we talking about here? He probably doesn't even remember me. No.
Oh, okay. So, that baby from the Simpsons called Conroy Daddy, okay?
Bird?
Just like the green baby bird calls Red Daddy,
It was
okay?
a quality cake. Look, I worked very hard to get it there on time. And he wouldn't even try it.
Mr. Red, we are
Okay, so Homer has
bird community.
that taller
Under the
looking
protection
bird.
of Mighty Eagle, we work, we play, we laugh, we love, and we live our lives free from conflict and strife,
Okay.
sir.
We love the sound of our own voice, too, evidently.
Perhaps you never heard the joke, why don't birds fly? I'm gonna tell you why. Because where else would we ever want to go?
Okay, so everyone's
Not a good
laughing,
joke.
huh?
So now, what am I to make of the likes of you? There seems to be a recurring issue here. Anger.
I don't think I have an anger issue. I think you got an anger issue.
Anger is a weed growing in our garden. And what do you do when you find a weed?
I don't know, but I bet you're going to tell me.
You pluck it out.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Mr.
that's Woody
Red,
from the Toy Story
when you
series.
moved your house outside of our village, did you notice that nobody tried to stop you? Birds, they may smile at you on the street, but that doesn't mean they like you.
Hey, you know what? I got a question for you. Are you aware that that robe that you're wearing isn't fooling anybody? We all see you prancing along the street, Your Honor. And you're what? And I'm just approximating here. Like an inch tall?
What are you doing?
Voila.
Whoa.
Mr. Red, given the severity
calling
of
him
the
Daddy,
crimes,
baby,
I have
from
no
Simpsons.
choice but to impose the maximum penalty allowed by the
Let
law.
me know in the comments.
Anger management class.
Pluck my life.
Okay. That looks like the same.
It's different.
My poem
Oh, okay.
is about a hate crime.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Lot of sickos out there. Lot of sickos.
What?
Oh, what?
Did I make you off? I made you out of love. But wait, too late! Now I see your fate. Some very troubled somebody destroyed you out of hate. What could have made him so despise your happy smile, your laughing eyes? Your soul was pure, your heart was true, and someone hated that. But who?
Okay.
Terrence.
Oh.
Yeah, I deserve that.
Oh. Are you okay, Conroy?
Next video,
Yeah, I think it's one more.
and it's Sonic and Lenny McQueen. What are you doing here? Audio from the Lorax.
Oh, okay. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome.
Ow.
Whoa.
Okay. What are you?
Which one is Lightning
Question.
McQueen as
What are they
the
doing here?
Lorax?
And, follow up if I
Sonic
may.
as the
What are
Lorax.
you doing here? Well, after the incident last
so
night,
Sonic
we
is
found
the
one of your
Lorax
socks
and
and came here to
Lightning
return
McQueen
it.
is the man.
But when we got here,
Okay.
you were asleep.
Ew. Exactly. And sleeping is the body's way of telling other people to go away.
I know, but you look.
Wait, the screen keeps freezing. Let me start it over.
Exactly. And sleeping is the body's way of telling other people to go away.
I know, but you looked so cozy. And it was cold outside. And we just fell asleep. No harm done.
No harm done? No harm done.
Okay.
Okay, I put my lips on the... Well, I used to anyway. Ew.
Ooh.
Did you just...
Whoa.
In my bowl?
Why do you have one of these? You don't even have a mustache.
Okay, that's it.
What? I thought we made a deal last night.
Yes, we did. And I said I wouldn't chop down any more trees.
And I said I was going to keep an eye on you.
I'm starving. What's for breakfast?
All right.
Breakfast is overrated.
That's it.
Okay.